Hi, my name is Andre Watkins, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of a brief story of what MNP has done for me. I was at a point in my life where I didn't know what to do, where to turn, because of previous mistakes I've made with my finances. I got myself into quite a big hole with back taxes. My bank account was froze. I had letters sent to my employer saying that my wages were going to be garnished. It was awful. With one quick call to MNP, within that first week, I was given the advice and told what to do to get my bank account reopened. Um, there were letters sent out which stopped any of my wages from being garnished, and I started the process of bankruptcy, which I never imagined I would ever have to do. But it was by far the best decision I've ever made. I finally feel like I can breathe. Um, my finances are now in order. They gave me classes along the way, a lot of great advice to help me rebuild my credit. It's been amazing. So thank you.